Hello friends, hope everyone are doing good. Welcome to Fahim's Science Session. Today's topic of discussion is about probiotics. The concept of probiotics is the colonization of beneficial bacteria in the intestinal tract, promoting efficient functioning of digestion, helping prevent digestive upsets, and stimulating and maintaining the natural immunity of the body. Probiotic bacteria are normal inhabitants of the intestines and are normally found in healthy gut of all the humans. Composition of probiotics. Lactic acid bacteria, namely Lactobacilli, Streptococci and Bifidobacteria, constitute the probiotics currently used preparations. These three genera have been shown to be important components of the gastrointestinal microflora, which are all relatively harmless. A probiotic preparation may contain one or several of the different strains of bacteria. Let us go through one by one. Lactobacilli. The fermented foods and dairy products like yogurt contain the species of Lactobacilli. There are many species of Lactobacilli. It has been established that according to the Environmental Illness Resource, the benefits that Lactobacilli can provide include preventing and treating diarrhea caused by antibiotics, prevention of vaginal and urinary tract infections, prevention of overgrowth of bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, Salmonella, and E. coli, and help with the digestion of lactose products. Generally, the lactose sugar is present in all the dairy products. So, the enzyme lactase is responsible for the conversion of lactose to glucose and galactose. Generally, in infants, this lactase enzyme is highly present, whereas as one ages, the lactase enzyme deficiency occurs. So, upon intake of probiotics, it is helpful in digestion of lactose. That is, it is helpful in the lactose intolerance. In addition to these benefits, lactobacilli sporogenes has also been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol, which is called as low density cholesterol, which is a bad cholesterol, and it raises the HDL cholesterol levels, making it a supplement for treating high cholesterol levels and heart disease. HDL is a good cholesterol, whereas LDL is the bad cholesterol. Bifidobacteria. The most common kind of intestinal bacteria found in infants include bifidobacteria. As individuals get older, the level of the bacteria decreases and they can be naturally found occurring in the vagina as well as the intestines. These probiotics are known to help protect the intestinal lining. They produce acids to keep the pH in the intestine balanced. They help decreases the side effects of antibiotics and ensures regular bowel movement. And the most important thing is it helps build vitamin B complex. B complex vitamins regulates appetite, healthy nails and skin, energy booster. It produces blood cells. So the important factor of bifidobacteria is it helps in building the B complex vitamins. Streptococcus thermophilus, the most important lactic acid bacteria for commercial purposes, typically used as a starter culture. What is a starter culture? It is a preparation of living microorganisms which are deliberately used to assist the beginning of fermentation of the substrate to obtain a more homogeneous product. For simple explanation, starter culture is something which we use day to day life in order to make curd. That is called as a starter culture. Okay. This bacterium is known to help an individual with malnutrition resulting due to fasting. Why should we take probiotics? To overcome dysbiosis. If you consume a perfectly balanced diet without a lot of processed products and lead a stress-free life, probiotics may not be required as a supplementary aid to maintain your general health and immunity. However, in total, in today's world, we encounter stress every day from our environment and from the foods we eat. In addition, we also tend to consume many different forms of chemicals such as antacids, antibiotics, food additives, alcohols, and other foods and drugs that may eventually lead to disturbance and reduction in the concentrations of beneficial bacteria within our GIT. By the age of 2 or 3, most children have developed some degree of intestinal balance and a fairly effective immune system. However, as we age, environmental and nutritional factors very often disturb this balance, and thus it creates the need for probiotic supplementation. The result is dysbiosis, which is a disruption of the microflora and an increased susceptibility to potentially pathogenic bacteria. Dysbiosis may be caused when we are subjected to stressors such as the following up: the antibiotic therapy, anti-inflammatory steroids or chemotherapy, changes in the food and water normally associated with the travel, hormonal fluctuations around puberty, during menstruation, pregnancy, postnatally or during the menopause, age, immunological compromise, unhealthy diet, stress or modern lifestyle, lactase deficiency, and malabsorption or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, etc. Unbalanced microflora may also result in arthritis, headaches and migraines, eczema, chronic fatigue, sinus problems, or psoriasis. So, what are the benefits of probiotics? They help reduce stress, reduce the effects of stress, reduce incidences of diarrhea and other digestive upsets. They help in improving immunity and impart resistance to disease, reduce the symptoms of digestive disease such as lactose intolerance and IBS, help stimulate peristaltic movement of the gut, thus reducing the constipation and greatly improve digestion, help in the supply of digestive enzymes, breakdown of most food products, reduce absorption of the cholesterol, and promote the production of B group vitamins like biotin, niacin B2, pyridoxine B6, and folic acid. So, what makes a good probiotic? Safety. Non-pathogenic and non-toxic microorganisms must be chosen as the component of probiotic. Multi-strain. A good quality probiotic must contain several species of beneficial microorganisms in order to have an improved overall spectrum of activity within the gut and with maximum benefit in a wider range of host species. Viability of the microorganism in a probiotic is very important as it can only work if the microorganisms contained within the probiotic remain viable during the storage of the product and when consumed through the gut to ensure proper colonization. The concentration of the probiotic must be such that inclusion rates provide 10 million to 100 million beneficial bacteria per dose. And it is essential that a probiotic has not become exposed to contamination with any other microorganisms other than the particular probiotic organism chosen at any stage. And all these properties makes a probiotic of first quality. Let us see about probiotic products. Yogurt. Yogurt is probably the most well-known probiotic food. All yogurt contains both Streptococcus and Lactobacillus bacteria. Additionally, some brands of yogurt have other strains of bacteria added to them. For full probiotic benefits, yogurt should have live and active cultures in it since the process of pasteurization can kill helpful bacteria. Kefir. It is a yogurt-like beverage made from milk fermented with kefir grains, which are actually bacteria such as Lactobacillus kefiri. The bacterial culture, the bacteria culture the milk, leaving it thickened and somewhat effervescent due to the release of carbon dioxide. Kefir is available in a variety of flavors, much like yogurt, and can now be found in many conventional supermarkets as well as in the health food stores. Kombucha. Kombucha, bacteria and yeast fermented tea, is a form of symbiotic culture from which kombucha, a drink, is made. Kombucha has been brewed for centuries in different parts of the world and has recently become popular in United States. Kombucha is sweet and tart as well as very frizzy due to the release of carbon dioxide during the fermentation. It comes in different flavors and it can be found in health food stores. Next, miso. Miso is a popular Japanese food that is made from the fermentation of soybeans with a fungus called koji. Miso is the main ingredient in miso soup, which is easily made with miso paste and hot water. It is also used as a condiment in meals and snacks. Miso is rich in sodium and contains important minerals such as zinc and copper, as well as a good amount of protein. Miso is easily available in supermarkets. So, the take home message is probiotics are good bacteria touted to help maintain digestive health and boost the immune system. You can take them in a dietary supplement or get them from the food sources such as yogurt. So, consume probiotics and maintain good gut health and stay healthy. Thank you.